When we work in Laravel, we often see the word Illuminate everywhere. So here you can see Illuminate. But what is it? Is it something extra or is it part of Laravel itself? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain it in the simplest way so even a beginner can understand. What is Illuminate? Illuminate is the core set of libraries that make Laravel work. You can think of Laravel as the framework we use and Illuminate as the toolbox inside it. Why do we need it? Laravel gives us many features like routing, database handling, authentication, sessions, emails, and many more. All of these come from Illuminate. Where do we see it? In your code, when you import something like Illuminate, database, Eloquent, model, it means you are using the libraries provided by Illuminate. In Laravel 12, in your project folder, you will see a folder vendor, and inside that folder, you will see a folder. Inside vendor, you will see a folder by name Laravel, and inside that Laravel, there will be one more folder framework. Open that framework, and in the source here, all these are the libraries, or you can say built-in functions of Laravel, or built-in functions in the Laravel 12. In older versions, you will find in different folder, but in Laravel 12, you will find in vendor, Laravel, framework, source Illuminate, and you will find all the built-in libraries. So remember, Laravel is the framework, Illuminate is its engine. Without Illuminate, Laravel can't run. That's why when you see the word Illuminate in your project, don't get confused. It just means you are using Laravel's built-in libraries. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. I will answer the questions. Thanks for watching.